Welcome to another video. This is Climate Change Day 31. So we are well into this unit. Maybe you have learned some new stuff, I hope. My name is Miss Mac, and let's jump into today's lesson. So what are we doing today? Number one, we're going to be thinking about the causes of climate change. Number two, we're going to be drafting our solutions that are within our control. And then number three, we're going to be explaining those solutions. So, pull up your independent work for today. Pause this video to do that. All right, hopefully you have your independent work. It should look something like this. And let's get into it. So we have a new student handout. Click on this student handout link and go to File, Make a Copy. And we have our student handout. Fantastic. So scroll down, Introduction, Engage. You've learned that climate change is happening and why. You have examined evidence for the causes and effects of climate change. In this activity, you will learn about what people can do about climate change. Your group will gather data about electricity use, transportation, heating, lighting, and waste generation and recycling habits in your classroom. You will then figure out ways to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases your classroom produces. And our first bullet point here, based on what you know about the causes of climate change, what do you think are some simple actions you can take every day to reduce your own carbon emissions? For each action list, explain why it would reduce carbon emissions. Record your ideas below. All right, so first of all, we're actually going to answer a different question first. What are the causes of climate change? Let's just go over them again. Add a bulleted list. Pause this video. List in your bulleted list here, made by this little guy up here. What are the causes of climate change? Pause this video and answer this question right now. All right, hopefully you have some ideas. I have listed some of my ideas on this document. Hopefully you have some more or different ones than I do though. So now we have burning fossil fuels like electricity, maybe transportation, etc. Then we have trash. A lot of trash contributes to climate change. And then I listed cows as too many cows means too much methane, which contributes to global warming and climate change. If you don't have those listed, you can add these to your list. If you do have these listed, fantastic. Hopefully you have more. Now we need to come up with solutions. So after each bullet point, we're going to press Enter, then tab over and list the solutions to these problems. So in your classroom, what actions can you take that will help with each of these things? Pause this video, come up with some actions or solutions that you can do. All right, hopefully you have your solutions. I have some on the screen. If you want to check and add some more, maybe you get another idea, but those are some solutions that we can take in our school and classroom to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases we produce on a daily basis. Now we have to add each explanation. So enter, tab again, and add some explanations to your list. So pause this video, add explanations. All right, hopefully you have your explanations down. I actually did not add explanations because I wanted to see how creative you all could be. So you should have this entire section done right now. So that is the end of this video. Hopefully you got your independent work done. You're thinking about climate change and taking action in your classroom, the things you can control. I know we can't control everything, but we can control some things. So I will see you in another video.